Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 29th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a pretty wild day today. We made money, but it isn't the way I'd like to make money. We had 23 positions coming into today, and we ended up closing out positive nearly 29,000 in positive trades and 25,000 in negative trades. Yeah. And so we ended up officially closing out $3,200 positive out of all that. Pretty scary and dangerous. We had two horrible trades. Um, Anavex Life Sciences cost us negative $9,400, and then our leveraged gold stock JDST costs us another $8,500 negative. So we got like $17,000 in losing trades just in those two stocks alone, and then the rest, there was other losing ones too. So fortunately we had just a whole bunch of fantastic trades as well, all in petroleum, and as a result we closed out a total of positive $3,200. The Dow fell out of bed today. It fell 196 points, almost 200 points today. And in spite of that, we only got into four positions, but we still are carrying positive $5,000 going into tomorrow. So, you know, we did really well for a day that the Dow sold off nearly 200 points. The reason is we're doing really well in all our we're heavily invested in petroleum. Um, Almost 12 weeks ago, I put a lot of petroleum uh, stocks in our portfolio while taking out quite a few biotech stocks that I thought were too risky. And we haven't traded too much petroleum because petroleum's oil price has been falling. But we got this big bounce as a result of the Saudis deciding to withhold oil, and we literally just got into every one of our oil stocks, and all of them were positive. So you know, uh, as they say, we lost nearly $10,000 in Anavex Life Sciences, which of course is a biotech stock, but we more than made up for that in all these good uh, petroleum trades. So, hey, there is some security and diversity. I guess that's what the lesson is. Anyway, I think with this big sell-off, almost 200 points today in the Dow. Tomorrow, I think we're going to be returning to the Donald and Hillary show, and I think Trump is gaining strength, and this is going to put pressure on stocks, no question about it. Um, Hillary is so I mean, it's rather Wall Street is so invested in Hillary, it's just going to go crazy if she loses. And right now she's outspending Trump 8-1, and she can outspend him because she's got all this money from Wall Street, and Wall Street thinks that the country can't run if it doesn't have Hillary to run it. So it's going to react very negatively to anything positive regarding Donald Trump in this election. So I'm preparing for more sell-off, and I will anyway. Blah blah blah. I will call the Dow down for tomorrow. But as I say, we got great oil trades today. I'll show you a few of these. This first one is Atwood Oceanics. They do offshore drilling. We bought this yesterday, right at the beginning of the day. It went up very nicely all day yesterday, and then it popped up more today, and we got out here with $7,200. That was a really nice trade. I wish it had just stopped there. It kept going, and we get re-entered on this. And then it kind of does a small correction here. As a result, we're giving back $2.6 thousand on the open trade, which we are still holding. That's one of those 4 positions we got into today. Still, we're still way ahead in Atwood Oceanics, no doubt about it. Here's another oil stock. This is Denbury Resources. We had bought this yesterday, fairly late in the day, and it popped up just a little bit this morning, and we took $5,000 out of Denbury. Very nice, and it kind of looks like it probably topped out there, so that looks real good. Then here's another. This is Sanchez Energy Corporation. We bought this yesterday, also kind of late in the day. It popped up a little for us, and we took $4.2 thousand out of Sanchez Energy. And then here's another energy stock, LPI, which is Laredo Petroleum Company. We bought this yesterday about midday. It did a nice move yesterday, and it popped up even more for us on the open. And again, just like Sanchez Energy, we took out $4.2 thousand. So you can see, in spite of those horrible losses in Anavex Life Sciences and gold, we still overcame all that and managed to have a profitable day today. Anyway, I shouldn't complain, but I mean, we wasted a lot of really good trades making up for a couple absolutely horrible ones. That's the way trading goes. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Friday.